Welcome back to a new video. This video is about to make a comparison of two amplifiers. This is also a Rockford Fosgate Punch 160.2. Yes, and it's rated 40 watts per channel at 2 ohms. It's still old school. It's not a new one. The circuit is the same like the older ones. And we have a real old school amplifier. It's a Punch 60 X2, which has also the connector for the status display. And this one is rated by the manufacturer with 30 watts per channel at 4 ohms, 40 watts per channel, 30 watts per channel. And as you can see, the amp is a little bit bigger. And I'm pretty sure this one will outperform this one in terms of output power. Maybe not per channel in 4 ohms, but I think bridged mono into lower impedances, this one will kick the ass of this one. I didn't test it, it's the first test, maybe I'm wrong. Now we start. Now I start with a newer amplifier with a Punch 160.2, and I'm going to measure the output power at 4 ohms per channel. Let's begin. We have signal. I turn gain up until my output signal goes 30. Okay, that's 30. Oh, I have to stop like this. Then I measure the output power voltage. It's 17.2 and amperes. Oh shit. 17.2 and 4.48 amps. And I stop. That equals 77 watts at 4 ohms. That's pretty good. The next competitor is connected to the power supply and to the resistive load, and I start applying a signal. I'm turning up the gain. Oh, there's there's stop. Go back. Oh, we have clean signal. 18.4 volts. 4.68 amps. Stopping now. So we have a winner. The winner is the classic Rockford Fosgate Punch 60. Not by much, but it delivers 68 watts per channel on 4 ohms of output power. A little higher voltage, almost the same current. It's a little more. For me, this one is more like a Punch 40 back in the days. As I said before, this one is rated higher than this one. This one is rated 38 watts per channel. This one is rated 40 watts per channel. The conclusion, in my opinion, is they cheated a little more back in the days, in the mid-90s. Don't get me wrong, this is also a good amplifier. It's the same technology. If you open them up, it's similar to this one, but there are more devices. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Maybe my next video I will show you I have a Punch Power Series 250M, which I have repaired 2 years ago, 1 year ago, I don't know. And I can show you what I have done, and we can also measure the output power for